Chef.
Hi, I'm Chef Baby, and apparently I know more about food safety than half the grown-ups in your kitchens.
Look at this! That's humidity and ethylene gas, the evil twins that make your lettuce and strawberries turn into mush.
That's why the grown-ups at Safe Foods invented their filter. It absorbs humidity, ethylene, odors, airborne mold, and bacteria.
Unlike traditional potassium permanganate ethylene filters, the Safe Foods filters are safe around food. This filter is so safe, you can't even eat it. But it tastes horrible. And that is how your produce will last twice as long. Your cooler will stay clean, and your chef will have no more sleepless nights.
Skip the spoilage, avoid the mess. Safe Foods filter keeps your food fresh.